Root canals are challenging procedures. You want to provide your patients the easiest, most minimally invasive experience possible. It's important to choose the right instrument that strikes a balance between strength and flexibility, as well as safety and cutting efficiency. But with so many instruments on the market, how do you know which is best? EdgeEndo has the answer. EdgeEndo was introduced in 2012. It has become the #2 file manufacturer in the USA, now offering leading-edge products and solutions to dental professionals in over 35 countries. Introducing the X7, EdgeEndo's top-selling file system globally. A minimally invasive file system designed to conserve tooth structure while providing the necessary strength, flexibility, safety, and cutting efficiency. Developed by endodontist Dr. Charles Goodies, owner and founder of EdgeEndo. Widely praised amongst clinicians, the X7 delivers a new standard of care, receiving testimonials like this one. In my opinion, the X7 is the best rotary file system for minimally invasive endodontic therapy. The proprietary heat treatment and reduced maximum flute diameter allow for improved efficiency and safety in complex cases. It starts with its design. Proprietary firewire heat-treated nickel titanium makes it easy and allows clinicians to navigate complex anatomy and reduces the risk of file separation. Typically, following Professor Gambarini's simplified technique, only 2 instruments are needed. Simply use size 1704 taper in 1 or more passes until working length is reached. Then use the 2504 to working length passively, and if desired, a clinician can use a larger apical shape. Additional instruments can be used. Root canal systems are complex, but choosing the right instrument shouldn't be. Try the EdgeFile X7 today. Meet the new standard in minimally invasive procedures. To learn more, visit EdgeEndo.com.